for the financial markets, closing the day deep in negative territory in response to the trade chaos. CTV's John Vennavally-Rao is working that angle. And John, start us off with what happened to the markets today.
Sandy, the markets continued their plunge from yesterday, not just in North America, but globally.
As the opening bell sounded, there was little to cheer. Traders watching as markets, as of this morning, had wiped out all of the gains they'd made this year. And on Bay Street, some worried it was just the start of the pain.
Trump's going to crash the bond market and the stock market.
Yeah.
This is the beginning. It's not over.
At one point, Toronto's main index was down more than 2%, while stocks plunged in Europe, fell in Asia, and U.S. markets continued their sharp sell-off, though recovering somewhat as the day wore on.
The Nasdaq is officially in correction. That means it's down more than 10% from its high.
Investors worry a trade war will lead to higher consumer prices and reignite inflation, while slowing growth in both the U.S. and Canada, possibly leading to a recession.
Assuming the tariffs do stay in place for a while, it's likely to lead to at least a couple of quarters of outright decline in the Canadian economy.
Notably, though, while falling slightly, the loonie held at around 69 cents U.S. Some investors remain hopeful tariffs won't stay in place for long, but the uncertainty making it tough to know what to do.
I can't stress the uncertainty aspect enough. Nobody really knows the answer. I don't think the president of the U.S. knows the answer, to be honest. So we're going to have to wait and see here.
As for investment advice, one analyst said this is a time for caution, not bravery. Sandy.
Okay, John in Toronto.